Hello champ! Today we are going to make a toy car. This is very interesting, isn't it? So let's see, what do we have in our book? Wow, we have a red car. So why don't we start making this? For this, we can use a scale. Also, we will require something round for our wheels. So can you please arrange for that? Yes, a coin. A 2 rupee coin is going to be an ideal size for our wheel. So at first, let's make a sleeping line with a scale and then 2 wheels. It needs to have equal distance from the sides. So let's take the line of our box as a measurement and then get inwards and make the wheel at equal distance. This is amazing. Now it's time for us to make a dome. We will start from the back of the wheel and then draw the same thing for the front wheel. This looks great. Now, let's make a bigger dome for the body of the car. This looks really great. Just in case if you make a mistake, not to worry, you can use your eraser, erase it and redraw it. Can we do this together? That's lovely. Let's follow the steps which are given in the book and try making the car. Now, let's make a sleeping D for the window and 2 standing lines in the middle. Make the wheel as well. And the mirror. Now, why don't we erase all the overlapping parts? For example, the line which comes inside the wheel. And then let's make a smaller circle right in the middle. This looks amazing, isn't it? Let's take our black sketch pen and start sketching. We will make sure that we go right on top of the pencil marks. If you feel that sketching is a little difficult, then you can count and do the sketching. For example, you can say 1, 2, 3 and stop. When you say stop, you need to pick up your hand. Make sure you start from where you stop. Do not overlap 2 sketch pen marks on each other. It can make our drawing look shabby. Continue sketching in a similar way. Now, let's sketch the windows. We will go very slow while sketching, as if we make a mistake, it is going to be difficult for us to erase it. Our toy car looks amazing, isn't it? Let's take our eraser and erase all the pencil marks we see. This looks interesting. Now that we are done with this, we will start with the coloring. Well, for this, we are going to take red color. Let's take the closest color mentioned in the book. At first, we are going to leave some space right here and color. Do you know what are these white patches? Well, these white patches are the ray of light which is falling right on top of our car. Because our car is of metal, it is reflecting the light and hence these white patches are formed. So, let's create these white patches and color in one direction. At first, we are going to do the outline and then color inside. Now you know the drill. You have to go very slow while doing the outline. Continue coloring in a similar way. Make an outline for the window as well. Here we see a wavy line where there's a lot of light falling. Hence, that is white in color. So, let's make this together. Why don't we color the entire thing in sleeping line? And now, let's color in the center. That's great. Let's take yellow color for the lights. And finally, use black color for the wheels. If you notice, we always use black color in the end as it is a very dark color and it usually smudges. Hence, we have to be very careful while using the black color. Make sure your hand does not fall on that and you rub it. If you do so, the color is going to smudge and your entire drawing or coloring is going to look shabby. And well, this car is done. Isn't it looking beautiful?